Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about generating code snippets from API requests in Bruno. Bruno makes it easy to generate code snippets from your API request, allowing you to quickly integrate and test your API in various programming languages. This feature supports multiple languages and help you save time when writing client code for your API. I am going straight into the demo. I have already opened Bruno. I am using the request create user from request collection for the demo. So there is a 3 dots displayed against the request name. There is a generate code option. Just click on that. You can see the different programming languages supported by Bruno in order to generate the code. The first option is shell format. I am copying this cal command. I am going to execute this cal command from git bash. There is a copy button available here. Just click on that button. I have opened git bash. If you have git installed in your system, you will be getting this option. Just search in the search bar for git bash for Windows operating system. I am pasting the command. So we have got the response. We will check the response from Bruno as well. So I am hitting this request. You can see the same response is received in git bash as well. Now I am going to show how to generate code for GraphQL. The process remains same. So this feature is supported for REST API, GraphQL and SOAP API request. Now I am going to generate code for this get country details. I am selecting this request. I will be sending the request first. So this is the response of the request. Now I am going to generate code for this particular request. So this is the code. I am copying directly from the generate code modal box. I click on this copy button. The command is copied. This is a cal command. Just execute that from git bash. I am pasting the command. So you have got the country details. This is the same which we have received in Bruno as well. Now I am going to hit a SOAP request after generating code in cal format. I am generating cal command for this particular SOAP request. I am copying the command. I am going to hit this cal command from git bash. I am pasting the command. You can see the 80 Fahrenheit got converted to 26.6 Celsius. We will check that from Bruno as well. I am hitting the SOAP request. This is the request. I am sending the request. So you have got the same value. So this is how you can generate code from Bruno. More than 35 plus languages is supported. So I hope this session was very useful for everyone. If you find this video interesting, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.